love math, enjoy math, learn with Alice Math.
Hi guys, welcome to Alice Math class. Today we're gonna talk about translation. So translation means we can move a graph vertically or horizontally through some units. So for example, if we have a previous function y equals fx, and we can draw the graph of fx. If you want to translate the graph vertically through b unit, so now what's the equation of the new graph? We can write it this way: y equals fx plus b, which means upwards or downwards through b unit. So here, how do we verify the move upwards or downwards? It depends on the sign of b. So if b is positive, it means move upwards. So if b is negative, means the opposite way, move downwards. Okay, so no matter the b is positive or negative, so which means to translate the graph vertically. If we want to translate the graph horizontally, what's the difference from the previous function with the new function? So you will see here, y equals f bracket x minus a. So the vertical case means we just add a constant at the end of fx. But here, if we translate it horizontally, which means we replace x with x minus a. And it also depends on the sign of a. If here a is positive, it means it moves to the right. So if a is negative, which means it moves to the left. If we combine the first two translation together, so we can write y equals fx minus a plus b. Here, horizontally means to the left side, a unit, or right side, a unit. Translate vertically b unit means either translate upward or move downward. So we say it is translated by the vector a and b. So the first element a means the horizontally a unit, and the second element b means translate vertically b unit. So now let's look at the following question by using the different rules of the translation. For example, consider the graph of gx as below. On the same set of axes, draw the graph of y equals g x plus 1 minus 3. So now look at here, y equal f x minus a plus b. Here the x plus 1 minus 3, which means a equals negative 1, b equals negative 3. Labeled here. Actually, this graph means move to the left side by 1 unit and then downward by 3 units. Okay, so now look at this graph. This is the previous graph, gx. And how do we sketch the graph of y? Means the new function. So this means we need to translate to the left side by 1 unit. We need to change the y coordinate here. Alright, so I use the same color, the blue color. And now look at this graph. We have some vertex here, 1 point, here 1 point, and then here the y-intercept, and here we have a vertex. So this means we try to move all of the vertex by 1 unit to the left side. So this one is 4 here. Now we should move to the left side by 1 unit. So the new dot would be here. X equals 3, and then move 1 unit to the left side is become 2 here. So, and then here the y-intercept, y equals 3. Now, you see here the x value equals 0. Now we need to move to the left side, change to be -1. And here the vertex is -2 and 2 here. So we need to translate it to the left side by 1 unit. It changes to -3, -3. All right. So because here we still have a straight line and we cannot know what's the gradient, but look at here, we have another point on this previous graph. So here is -3 and 4. So we need to move these points 1 unit place to the left side. So the new point would be here. 9 or the 9 segment. So we just collect them directly. So we just collect them as the straight line. All right, so this means we completed the first translation. Move to the left side by 1 unit. Now we move on to the second translation. This is the first step. And the second step, and we need to move downwards, through 3 units. From the graph in the first step. It's here. And here is the x-intercept now translated downwards by 3 units. 0, -1, -2, -3. So here. By 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Okay. It touched x-axis now. And this vertex is with the y-coordinate 2, so we move down by 3 units, means the -1 here, -1. And this dot, so we need to move downwards by 3 units. 4 take away 3 equals 1, is here. The red one actually is our correct graph. Graph. So y equal gx plus 1 minus 3. Okay, so this is the whole procedure of this question. So if you are interested in any other topics you want me to explain, you can leave it in the comment section below. Keep on learning, and I will see you all next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.